Aspiring company owners are increasingly using dropshipping as a popular business strategy as it frees them from having to keep inventory. If used properly, this concept has the potential to be quite profitable. In this guide, we will delve into the steps and strategies necessary to build a successful dropshipping business, covering everything from choosing the right products to marketing your store effectively. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Understanding dropshipping. A retailer that uses dropshipping does not hold inventory for the items it sells. Rather, when a shop sells anything, it buys it directly from a third party and ships it straight to the buyer. This implies that the seller need not deal with the product directly. The following are dropshipping's main benefits. Low capital investment. The danger of unsold inventory is decreased since you don't have to buy things in bulk. Simple to start. It's easy to start up an online shop using systems like Shopify, WooCommerce, and others. Broad product selection. You may provide your consumers with a vast array of goods since you are not required to buy the things in advance. Location independence. Anywhere with an internet connection may be used to manage a company. Step-by-step guide to starting a dropshipping business. Choosing a niche. A specialized choice is essential to the success of your dropshipping business. Using a niche helps you target a certain consumer base and concentrate your marketing efforts. When selecting a specialty, take into account the following aspects. Interest and passion. Pick a niche that you have a strong interest in. Your zeal will show in improved client interaction and marketing. Market demand. To determine the level of interest in your niche, use resources such as RFs, SEMrush, and Google Trends. Seek for steady search traffic and interest. Rivalry. Examine the competition. While a niche with minimal rivalry may not be lucrative, one with a lot of competition can be more difficult to break into. Margin of profit. Make sure the items in your niche have a markup that allows you to recoup all of your expenses and turn a healthy profit. Conducting market research. After selecting your topic, carry out in-depth market research. Determine who your target market is. Recognize your target audience's demographics, needs, and internet activities. Examine the competition. Examine the websites, merchandise, price, and client feedback of your rivals. Take note of their advantages and disadvantages. Supplier analysis. Locate trustworthy vendors. Connecting with suppliers is possible via platforms such as Oberlo, Salehu, and AliExpress. Consider their track record, delivery schedules, and level of product quality. Setting up your online store. It's crucial to design a polished and user-friendly web store. Select a platform. Shopify is well liked for its extensive feature set and user-friendliness. Another excellent choice is WooCommerce, particularly if you have experience with WordPress. Domain name. Pick a memorable and relevant domain name for your specialty. Website design. Make use of a polished, uncluttered style that improves user experience. Many e-commerce specific themes are available via Shopify and WooCommerce. Product listings. Make thorough product pages with clear descriptions, crisp photos, and affordable prices. Add client testimonials and evaluations to foster credibility. Finding and partnering with suppliers. Trustworthy vendors are the foundation of any dropshipping company. Suppliers of research. To locate suppliers, use websites such as DHgate, Alibaba, and AliExpress. Examine their ratings and reviews to confirm their dependability. Speak with suppliers. Make contact with possible vendors to build rapport. Find more about their minimum order amounts, refund policies, and shipment schedules. Place an order for samples. To evaluate the item's quality and the supplier's dependability, always request samples. Inventory management. Even though you don't hold inventory, effective inventory management is crucial. Automated systems. To automate inventory management and order processing, use systems like Dropify, Oberlo, or Spocket. Real-time updates. To prevent selling out of stock products, make sure your shop accurately displays the current inventory levels. Backup suppliers. In case your major supplier runs out, You may prevent interruptions by having backup suppliers for your best-selling items. Pricing strategy. Your company's success or failure depends on your pricing strategy. Competitive pricing. Examine the prices of your rivals and establish competitive rates while maintaining healthy profit margins. Psychological pricing. To make your items seem less expensive, use pricing techniques like $19.99 rather than $20. Cost of delivery. If at all feasible, try to provide free delivery. If you do charge for shipping, make sure the fee is fair and stated explicitly. Marketing your store. To increase traffic and revenue, marketing is essential. Make your website search engine friendly by using SEO, search engine optimization. Make use of relevant keywords in blog entries, product descriptions, and titles. Pay attention to both off-page and on-page SEO. Content marketing. Launch a blog in your industry. To draw in and keep the interest of prospective clients, provide insightful information. It may also help you with SEO. Social media marketing. To advertise your goods, use websites like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. To attract a larger audience, write interesting pieces and make advantage of sponsored advertising. Email marketing. Create an email list and distribute newsletters on a regular basis that include offers, updates, and insightful material. MailChimp and Klaviyo are two tools that may assist automate this procedure. Influencer marketing. To promote your brand, collaborate with influential people in your industry. You may reach a wider and more interested audience with the aid of influencers. Handling customer service. Providing outstanding customer service is essential for keeping clients and developing a trustworthy brand. Communication. Communicate clearly and promptly. To handle client inquiries, make use of programs like Freshdesk or Zendesk. Return policy. Establish a straightforward, equitable return policy. Make it simple for consumers to exchange or return items. Comments. Invite clients to provide evaluations and comments. Make better use of this knowledge to create better goods and services. Scaling your business. After you've built a profitable dropshipping company, think about growing it. Product range. Add additional items that are relevant to your specialty to broaden your product offering. Market expansion. Reach out to new regions in order to penetrate new markets. Automate procedures. To make order processing, inventory control, and customer service more efficient, use automation solutions. Sponsored advertising. To increase traffic and sales, spend money on sponsored advertisements like Facebook ads and Google ads. Examples and case studies. Successful dropshipping stores. Gymshark. Gymshark, which started out as a dropshipping company, has developed into a well-known fitness clothing brand on a worldwide scale. They narrowed down on a certain market, made good use of influencer marketing, and eventually started keeping the goods on hand. MVMT Watches. This company began dropshipping and has since grown to prominence in the watch sector. The attractive product design, potent social media marketing, and robust branding of MVMT are responsible for its success. Typical problems and their fixes. Supplier problems. Obtain your items from a number of providers. Build trusting connections and keep in frequent contact. Always have a fallback strategy. Delivery times resolution. Assure your clients of reasonable delivery times. Think about collaborating with vendors that provide expedited delivery choices. Inventory management solution. Sync inventory levels using automated technologies. Maintain regular contact with your suppliers to learn about stock levels. Customer service solution. Respond quickly to customer concerns and provide exceptional customer service. To effectively handle requests, make use of customer service tools. High competition solution. Set yourself apart from the competition with your branding, distinctive product line, and top-notch customer support. Concentrate on a certain niche in which you may become an expert. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.